The departure of Senator Loren Legarda and her son, Congressman Leandro Leviste, has drawn attention as questions also emerged over the senator's reported medical leave amid an ongoing NBI investigation. Officials maintain they expect the two lawmakers to return to the country while the Department of Justice continues its separate investigation into Senator Robin Padilla's alleged role in helping Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa avoid arrest. IBC News correspondent Victor Liantino has the details.
In the face of looming legal battles and controversies, the National Bureau of Investigation has confirmed that Senator Loren Legarda and her son Congressman Leandro Leviste have left the country. This happens as the NBI continues its probe into alleged smear campaign against Executive Secretary Ralph Recto.
Nagbiyahe sila August 2, Sunday. Umalis papuntang Hong Kong si Congressman Leviste, si Senator naman. Yung final destination niya ay sa France.
Following news of their departure, Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Rimulya expressed confidence that the two lawmakers will eventually return to the country to face potential charges.
Yung ba tatakasan talaga nila? I don't think tatakas sila. Babalik yan.
Okay, sir.
Babalik yan. Naniniwala kami, babalik.
Thank you, sir.
Baka gusto nilang umuwi na nakaposas pag hindi sila bumalik, di ba?
Meanwhile, conflicting information has surfaced at the Senate regarding Senator Legarda's absence. Senator Erwin Tulfo shared that Legarda had allegedly sent a letter to Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian to file for a medical leave.
Fairness to her, medical leave po, kausap po namin ni SP, yung aming executive secretary. Ang sabi naman na nag-file po ng leave si Senator Loren. Kaya nga po, nung hearing po ng Juan, wala po siya.
However, Senate President Gatchalian clarified that he has no official knowledge of her foreign travel and that they have not spoken about it. While Senator Legarda has left the country, another senator remains in hiding. The Department of Justice will include Senator Robin Hood Padilla's own admission that he advised Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa to hide as part of their evidence. This comes as the DOJ enters the final stage of its investigation into the obstruction of justice complaint filed by the Philippine National Police CIDG against Padilla.
We will not preempt anything from the investigating panel. No? And of course, we're also looking, diba? We've heard there's also an ongoing investigation with the Office of the Ombudsman.
For now, De La Rosa remains at large as the relentless manhunt operation by authorities continues to track down the senator's whereabouts. Victor Liantino, IBC News.